Welcome to Learn It, a series of digital scrapbooking tutorials by Studio Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics. A special thank you to Katie the Scrapbook Lady from scrapbookladypages.com. She posted on thedailydigi.com an article all about diptychs, and I just loved the idea of how you can put two pictures together side by side and have it tell a story that goes beyond just seeing one picture by itself. So that's what inspired this action. So stop by and visit thedailydigi.com or scrapbookladypages.com. So here we are in Photoshop Elements, and over here on the Effects panel on the right of your screen, you'll see the Photo Effects button. It's the third one in. And if you click that and click on the drop-down menu, you'll be able to choose from any of the action sets that you've installed that came with your XML files. And we'll see here that Diptychs is on the list, so we're going to select that. And up will pop all of the actions associated with this set. To get started, you want to choose the Create Dip action and click Apply. Elements users need to be sure that they have a blank document open when they do this. We'll get a little message that explains what the action does, and just read it and press Continue. We're reminded that we need to set the foreground color to the stroke and the background color to the border, and we need to have two photos ready. So I have set black as my foreground color and white as my background color, and I'm going to press Continue. On the next screen, I'm prompted to open my first photo. This will be the one that will show up on the left. I'm going to pick the image of the coffee and click Place. Now the photo will be automatically sized to fit either the height or width of the document here, and you'll be prompted to resize it and position it. So we're going to click on a corner handle and hold down the Shift key if necessary to keep the proportions constrained, and we're going to resize that photo to fit right into the template area here. Now, if you get to where you cannot see your handles, you can Command Option minus. For PC users, that's Control Alt minus, and zoom out until you can see the gray area and find your handles. In Elements, you might just have to Command plus or Command minus to get that to work. That would be Control plus or minus on a PC. Once you get your photo to cover all of the white area in your document and position it, you can also click on the outer edge and rotate it slightly if you want to. Just make sure you get all of that white area covered up. Once you have it like you want it, press Enter or Function Return on a laptop. And next we'll be prompted for the second photo. I'm going to choose Cookies for the second photo. I'm going to resize to fill the entire canvas here and press Enter. Now the action will do its magic and prompt us to save the image. So I'm going to call this coffeecookies.jpg and click Save. Choose my compression, and I am all done. There's my diptych with two pictures placed neatly side by side. Now this particular action creates these to be approximately 7 by 3.5 inches. If you need to resize them for your blog or a newsletter, several options have been provided for you to do that. We have a 300 pixel, 400 pixel, 475, 500, 575, and 600 pixel options. To apply one of those, you just click on the one you want, click Apply, click Continue. It's going to add a little bit of color pop, sharpen, and save it. When the high pass comes up, this is the critical step for the sharpening. The higher you make the number and the more white you see, the more sharpening you're going to get. The lower you drag it, the less sharpening you'll get. If you drag it all the way down as low as possible, you won't get any sharpening. What you want to look for is a mostly gray canvas with just a little bit of white highlight to it. And if you can find that happy medium, you'll get the perfect amount of sharpen on your layout. Then just click OK, and you'll be prompted to save a copy, and you can edit the name at that time too. So I'm going to put 600 behind that and save that right in the folder. That's all there is to it. I do recommend that if you want to save more than one version, that you close out of the size that you just created and use the original to create your various sizes from. I hope you enjoy the diptych action. Thanks for watching this episode of Learn It.